Have you ever wondered why you can't seem to shed those stubborn pounds, even when you're eating right and exercising regularly? The answer may lie in the critical difference between normal stress and chronic stress. Today, we're diving deep into the world of stress and uncovering the crucial distinction between temporary stress and chronic, ongoing stress. You'll learn how chronic stress can secretly sabotage your fat loss efforts, wreak havoc on your hormones, and keep you stuck in a frustrating weight loss plateau. Understanding this key difference is your first step to reclaiming control over your health, hormones, and body composition. Stay tuned until the end because I'll be sharing powerful strategies to help you manage stress, balance your hormones, and finally achieve that fat loss results you deserve. As a nutritionist specializing in women's health and fat loss, I've worked with countless high-achieving women who were doing everything right. Eating clean, exercising regularly, and making time for self-care. Yet, they still struggle to lose weight and feel their best. More often than not, the missing piece of the puzzle was chronic stress. Stress is your body's natural response to any demand or threat. Whether it's a looming work deadline, a crying baby, or a challenging workout. In short bursts, stress can actually be beneficial, giving you the energy and focus to tackle life's challenges head on. It's like your body's built-in superpower, ready to save the day when you need it most. However, when stress becomes chronic, meaning it's constant and unrelenting, that's when it starts to take a serious toll on your health and hormones. Imagine your stress response as a smoke alarm. In a normal situation, it sounds the alarm, you handle the problem, and then it quiets down. But with chronic stress, it's like the alarm gets stuck in the on position, blaring endlessly and never giving your body a chance to recover. It's like your body is stuck in flight or fight mode, 24/7, constantly pumping out stress hormone like cortisol that can wreak havoc on your metabolism. Studies show that chronically elevated cortisol levels can lead to increased belly fat storage, cravings for sugary and fatty foods, and a sluggish metabolism that makes it nearly impossible to lose weight, no matter how much you restrict your diet. I see this time and time with my high-achieving mom clients who are juggling demanding careers, family responsibilities, and trying to squeeze in self-care. They're doing everything right. Counting calories, hitting the gym, but the scale just won't budge. That's because chronic stress is like a silent saboteur, undermining all of their hard work behind the scenes. When you're under chronic stress, your body pumps out cortisol, the stress hormone, like a never-ending conveyor belt in the factory. Initially designed to help you survive life-threatening situations, cortisol triggers your body to store fat, especially around your midsection. It's like your body is hoarding resources for a famine that never comes, leaving you with stubborn belly fat that just won't budge. Cortisol can also disrupt insulin sensitivity, making it harder for your body to process carbohydrates effectively. This insulin resistance can lead to intense cravings for sugary, fatty comfort foods, then leave you trapped in a vicious cycle of stress eating and weight gain. It's like your hormones are staging a mutiny against your weight loss efforts, sabotaging your progress at every turn. A study published in the journal Obesity found that women with high cortisol levels tend to have more abdominal fat and a greater risk of obesity compared to those with lower cortisol levels. So if you've been struggling to lose weight despite your best efforts, chronic stress might be the hidden roadblock standing in your way. I've seen this time and time again with my high-achieving mom clients who were juggling demanding careers, family responsibilities, and trying to squeeze in that little bit of self-care. They feel like they're doing everything right, counting calories, hitting the gym, but the scale's not moving. That's because chronic stress is the silent saboteur, undermining all their hard work behind the scenes. As someone who's helped countless working moms lose stubborn fat without sacrificing their favorite foods or spending hours in the gym, I can confidently say that managing stress is the missing piece for so many women. Once we address the root cause of their hormonal chaos, the weight starts to effortlessly fall off and they finally feel at home in their bodies again. Let's take a deeper dive into the telltale signs that chronic stress is wreaking havoc on your body and sabotaging your weight loss efforts. Chronic stress can manifest in various ways, both physically and emotionally. It's like your body is sending out a distress signal, desperately trying to get your attention. Some common red flags include constant fatigue that never seems to go away no matter how much you sleep. It's like you're running on empty, dragging yourself through the day on fumes. Frequent headaches or migraines that disrupt your daily life. It's as if your brain is pounding on your skull, begging for a break from the constant stress. Digestive issues like bloating, constipation, or acid reflux. When you're stressed, your gut is like a clenched fist, unable to properly digest and absorb nutrients. Mood swings, irritability, and a short fuse with loved ones. It's like your emotions are on a hair trigger, ready to explode at the slightest provocation. Anxiety that keeps you up at night, racing thoughts and worries. Your mind is like a hamster on a wheel, spinning endlessly with no off switch. Turning to food for comfort, often craving sugary or high-fat snacks. It's as if your body is seeking a quick hit of pleasure to counteract the constant stress. Difficulty concentrating or remembering things, like your brain is in a fog. Chronic stress can make you feel like you're wading through mental quicksand, unable to focus or retain information. If any of these symptoms sound familiar, it's time to take a closer look at your stress levels and how they may be affecting your health and weight loss efforts. I've seen countless high-achieving women struggle with these very issues, feeling like they're trapped in a vicious cycle of stress and weight gain. As women, we often wear many hats: career women, mother, partner, caregiver, and more. Juggling these roles can be incredibly rewarding, but it can also be a major source of chronic stress. We feel the pressure to excel in every area of our lives, often at the expense of our own self-care and well-being. It's like we're performing a high-wire act without a safety net, constantly teetering on the edge of burnout. Societal expectations and media portrayals of the perfect woman can also fuel chronic stress, leaving us feeling like we're constantly falling short. We compare ourselves to unrealistic standards and beat ourselves up for not having it all together all the time. It's as if we're trying to fit into a one-size-fits-all mold of womanhood, squeezing ourselves into an impossible ideal that leaves no room for our unique needs and desires. Traumatic life events such as divorce, losing a loved one, or a health crisis can also trigger chronic stress that lingers long after the initial event has passed. These experiences can leave emotional scars and alter our stress response, making it harder to cope with everyday challenges. It's like our bodies are stuck in a constant state of red alert, unable to distinguish between real threats and the normal ups and downs of life. As a nutritionist, I've seen countless high-achieving women struggle with the weight of chronic stress on their shoulders. They come to me feeling exhausted, overwhelmed, and desperate for a solution. They're the ones that seem to have it all together on the outside, but behind closed doors, they're battling a constant onslaught of anxiety, self-doubt, and physical symptoms that leave them feeling drained and depleted. The first step is always acknowledging the impact of stress on their lives and committing to making a change. It's about recognizing that self-care isn't selfish. It's a necessary foundation for showing up as the best version of yourself in all areas of your life. By nourishing your body with the right nutrients, adopting stress-reducing lifestyle practices, and working with a knowledgeable expert who understands the unique challenges facing high-achieving women, you can break free from the cycle of chronic stress and reclaim your vitality. I'm curious, have you experienced the effect of chronic stress on your fat loss journey? Share your experiences and any strategies that you have that helped you manage stress in the comments below. The good news is that there are proven strategies to help you manage chronic stress and reclaim control over your health and weight loss efforts. First, focus on lifestyle modifications that promote relaxation and stress relief. Regular exercise like yoga or walking in nature can help lower cortisol levels and boost feel-good endorphins. Mindfulness practices, such as meditation or deep breathing, can calm your nervous system and create a sense of inner peace. Don't underestimate the power of social connection either. Reaching out to supportive friends and loved ones can provide a much-needed outlet for stress and help you feel less alone. Next, incorporate stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine. Something as simple as taking a few breaths before a challenging meeting or practicing progressive muscle relaxation before bed can make a big difference in your overall stress levels. Find what works for you and make it a non-negotiable part of your self-care routine. Finally, optimize your nutrition to support hormonal balance and fat loss. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods that stabilize blood sugar and reduce inflammation, such as leafy greens, healthy fats, and proteins. Consider trying carb cycling, where you strategically adjust your carb intake to align with your body's natural cortisol rhythm. This approach can help regulate insulin, reduce cravings, and promote fat burning. Imagine finally shedding that stubborn fat that's been clinging to your body for years. You slip into your favorite dress effortlessly, feeling sexy, confident, and energized. No more hiding behind baggy clothes or avoiding social events out of embarrassment about your weight. As you strut into the office, your colleagues can't help but notice your radiant glow and the newfound zest for life. You tackle projects with laser focus, your brain firing on all cylinders thanks to stable blood sugar and balanced hormones. No more mid-afternoon energy crashes or relying on coffee to get through the day. At home, you're the patient, present mom and passionate partner you've always wanted to be. With your hormones humming in harmony, your libido is reignited, injecting new sparks into your intimate relationship. You have the stamina to keep up with your kids, the mental clarity to juggle your many roles, and the inner peace that comes from knowing that you're caring for yourself on an energy level. This is the life that awaits you on the other side of hormonal chaos and stubborn fat. A life where you feel vibrant, empowered, and finally at home in your own body. It's time to break free from the dieting roller coaster and reclaim your birthright of radiant health. You deserve nothing less. If you're ready to finally balance your hormones, shed unwanted fat, and feel confident in your skin again, I invite you to book a Dream Body Blueprint session. During this powerful one-on-one consultation, we'll uncover the root causes of your specific hormonal imbalances and create a personalized roadmap to your dream body and life. As a high-achieving woman myself, I know how frustrating it is to feel stuck in a body that doesn't reflect the powerhouse that you are inside. I've helped countless working moms just like you achieve sustainable fat loss without sacrificing their favorite foods or spending hours in the gym. My signature Metabolic Mastery program is designed to help you optimize your metabolism, balance your blood sugar, and heal your hormones so you can finally lose the weight and keep it off, all while enjoying delicious, satiating meals that fuel your busy life. To claim your spot, simply click the link in the description below. I can't wait to help you unlock your body's innate potential and step into the confident, energized version of yourself that you deserve to be. For more juicy tips on balancing your hormones and becoming the fat-burning machine you are meant to be sure to check out my next video in this series. Understanding cortisol, the stress hormone explained. I'll see you there.